Welcome, crafters. My name is Nala, and I know I've been gone for a while, but welcome to another tutorial. Here, I will be using a lot of Simon Says product. This is the Winter Floral Stencil, and I will be using the Simon Says Saturated Ink. Now, the colors I'm going to use is, I'll use Peachy for the floral centers, and then I'll use Grapefruit for the outside petals. I just wanted the inside to be a little bit darker than the outside of the floral, so to kind of give it a little bit of some dimension. And then I actually use blush on the two floral pieces on the right side because I had a change of heart. And then I used Amnesty on that mid-center floral piece, and then I colored the inside with a little bit of iris. I just applied the Amnesty twice to kind of help give it its own darkness so it'll fade in once I add the iris. And I liked how it came out. I did also use the iris to do some of the foliages and add a little bit of spring to the rest of the foliages. Now, I do love using two tones on stencils. I think it brings out a lot in the stencil, adds some dimension, some contrast, texture, all depending on how and what you use. But I love using two tones or three tones, all depending on how big the image is. For the foliages, the tropic color was my dark color. And honestly, I love this color and I like how it comes out with everything. But that is the finished stencil. And then we're gonna take Tumbling Heart stencil because I wanna put a little bit of a very subtle glitter look in the background, but I don't want it to be the star. I just wanted to just add a little bit. So I used Hero Art's glitter paste, and I went ahead and used one of my spatulas to spread it across the stencil evenly. If you're using a stencil that might be more intricate and has really small parts, you're gonna want to use pixie spray. But since this is a pretty thick, and as you can see, I have loved this stencil with paste before, so it was easy to just go ahead and use my Misty. Off camera, I went ahead and stamped the Magical Crafting by Simon Says stamp, and I chose which one I was going to use. These are the two that I stamped out, which I ended up going with the one on the right. Here I'm going to do a little bit of coloring, and I am going to speed this up quite fast because not a lot of people are into coloring, and some people are, don't really have time to watch it. I want to take this moment to ask you guys, please, if you're not already, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with anyone that would enjoy seeing this video or that could be inspired by it. We as content creators are internally grateful for all our subscribers and our viewers, and we thank you all for our support using our affiliate links. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to play some music and allow you to enjoy the coloring. It's only 1 minute long because I did fast forward it like I said. So see you on the other side. off camera, I went ahead and die cut that through my die machine. And I'm going to glue down the ink blot and the paintbrush. Because I want those to be flat, but I am going to pop up the male fairy. And I think that's probably going to be the only thing I pop up on this card is the male fairy. Just because I don't want it to overpower. I don't want all the images to be the center of attention. I want him and my sentiment. So I'm going to use some circle foam tape or circle foam dots. I don't really remember the name. I'm having one of those days where like your brain doesn't work. Yeah, that's one of my days right now. But I nonetheless I use circle and foam that's adhesive. And then I took the You Are Enough steel craft die from Simon Says Stamp and I cut it out of some purple and pink cardstock from Simon Says as well. Go ahead and pop it right behind the antlers, and this is the finished card. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe and share with other crafters, and I can't wait to see you next time. Remember, you're beautiful, you matter, and your life is the art of this world. See you later.